Hey, first graders, you know what time it is. It's time for math with Miss Gilbert and Snake. We are going back old school to our problem solving. We took a couple weeks off of problem solving. We're back at it now. So same thing. You got to find yourself a paper. There's that paper you can print. I'll show you how to get to it in a minute. Or you can just get any old piece of paper. I'm going to use this one. Fold it. You can fold it with like some style like I did. Fold it again. And then you got your 4 squares. Okay? Or if you want to print the paper, if you really want to, let me show you how to get to that. You go to the Origo website, first grade. We're on week 5. So you're going to click week 5. Go to Wednesday problem solving. And then right here where it says representing chart, there you go. Okay? So either way, get your picture ready. Get your picture, not a picture, Miss Gilbert. Get your paper ready, and we'll get started. We're back. Okay, I hope you have your paper. Let me show you. If you're using your own paper, I want your paper to look like this. Okay, so it needs to say objects, pictures, words, equation. This isn't new. We've done this before, so this should be kind of an easy thing for you guys now. And if you printed your paper, then you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so let's go back here. We're going to do this one together. Problem letter A. Okay, so Norton is counting the birds at the park. Sounds fun. He counts 3 birds on the grass, 2 birds on the fence, and 7 birds flying. How many birds does Norton count in total? Oh, okay. So I'm going to first do my objects. Okay, so let me show you that. You remember, you got to ask your mom and dad what objects you can use. You can't just go grab whatever, around the house. You have to make sure your mommy and daddy say it's okay. So I'm going to use these M&Ms that I found. And I'm going to try to make them all the same color. Okay, so first he saw 3 birds. So I've got 3. And those were on the grass. Then he saw 2 birds on the fence, I think. Is that what it's? Ooh, it got unfocused. Let me see. Did he say? It says 3 birds on the grass, 2 birds on the fence, and 7 birds flying. Okay. Okay, so here's my 3 birds on the grass, 2 birds on the fence, and 7 birds flying. I'm going to do orange for the 7 birds flying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's just make sure that I got the right thing, okay? 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 birds on the grass, 1, 2, 2 birds on the fence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds flying. So I've got my objects correct. Pictures. Oh man. Pictures is the hardest part for me because I'm just not the best at drawing pictures, especially drawing birds. I'm going to try though. I'm going to try. Okay. So I'm going to try and draw it just like they said. So I've got, and I'm using a pink, maybe, I'm going to switch to a pencil. It's a smarter thing. So I'm going to draw, here's the fence. Okay. So there's the fence. It's not a terrible looking fence. Down here is the grass. And obviously up here is the sky. So there were 3 birds in the grass. Does that look like a bird? Maybe with a beak? Oops, and a little eye, feather. I should call Miss Halton and ask her to teach me to do better with drawing. Okay, so 3 birds in the grass. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 birds in the grass. 2 birds on the fence. 1, 2. 7 birds flying. Okay, so for the birds flying, I'm gonna just do it like this because there's no way I can draw a flying bird. I know what I can do. I know what I can't do. Flying bird. I mean, these birds aren't even that great. This is how I'm gonna draw my flying birds, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's my picture. I bet your picture will be better. I cannot wait to watch your Flipgrids. Maybe somebody on the Flipgrid could teach me how to draw a bird. We'll see. Okay, so let's do the words now. Okay, so the most important things, remember, is we need to figure out how many birds. So we're going to write down the things that it said. So we've got 3 birds in the grass. 3 birds in the grass. 2 birds on the fence. 2 birds on the fence. And notice I'm not great at drawing, but I am using my nice, neat handwriting. So I hope you are too. And then we have 7 birds in the sky. Okay, now it's our equation. So this is a 3 added equation. We have to add 3 different numbers. We're adding the birds in the grass, the birds on the fence, and the birds in the sky. Just like our picture, the birds in the grass, the birds on the fence, and the birds in the sky. Just like our words, birds in the grass, birds on the fence, birds in the sky. So we've got 3 plus 2 plus 7. Can you guys see that? So, one way we can do this is we could count the objects. That's one way to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This one we know is also going to be 12 birds. Now this one, if you're just looking at it, like pretend that, in 2nd grade, you will probably see something like this, and you won't have all these other things. I'm going to show you a trick. Add just 2 of the numbers first. So you could say, pretend the 7's not there. Just say, okay, 3 plus 2. Well, you should know that one. That one's 5, right? So we know that this is 5. And that doesn't mean greater than. You know what? I shouldn't do that. 3 plus 2, I should put equals. 3 plus 2 equals 5, okay? So now we have 5 plus 7. There's lots of different ways you could solve this. You could use your fingers. You could do a bridge to 10. You could count on. You could use a number line. But you will find that 5 plus 7, or 7 plus 5 is the same thing, is 12. There you go. What I would like you guys to do is the other problems on here, and I'm going to bring those up on here in just a minute so you can see them. But also I want you to try to figure out different ways to solve this. This one right here. You also could have done, if you have 3 plus 2 plus 7, you could also do 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9, and then you've got 9 plus 3. Same thing, 12. There's lots of different ways you can solve it. So see if you can find a different way, different from mine. Now, let me show you. So we just did letter A together. I want you to do 2 more of these, okay? So do B, C, or D, but I need you to do 2 more of those. And I'm going to leave this up here just like this, so you can pause the screen and you can just read it right off the screen. Okay, I can't wait to see your Flipgrids. I hope that your pictures I hope, let me show you myself. I hope your pictures are better than mine. I think they will be. Poor Snake. Snake could probably draw better than me. He really probably could. Maybe I should practice drawing. Maybe I'll go do that right now. All right, y'all go, let me bring this back. So y'all go do your math now. I'll see you tomorrow with more math. Keep up the good work. I love you and I miss you. Bye.